Hello! Welcome to a new episode of Homey Decor. Today I'll show you how to choose the perfect flowers for your home. Baby's breath flowers. These delicate and beautiful blossoms are perfect for larger or smaller bouquets and create an airy floral look. These flowers are usually used for weddings or events, but are also great for your home. It can fit in a farmhouse style. This style is warm, cozy, relaxing, and full of charm and character, perfect for any corner of your home. Licorice ovals, or commonly known as Bunnies Tail grass. This fluffy plant can be found in different colors. I recommend neutral tones for any home style. In this case, I chose a glamorous and pastel furniture. Matte ceramic vases with porous finishes are great for these plants' arrangements. Add some pampas grass for a natural and pure environment. Succulents. Nowadays, this plant has become a trend in interior decor. These plants can last long. First, make sure your succulents get enough sunlight. I would recommend to put them near a window and water them gently. They will look amazing inside a terrarium. In a mid-century style, where you have blue, yellow, and green tones, these plants will give life to your space. Coming up next! Don't miss the latest innovations 2020. Only here in Homey Decor. Your space, your home. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.